In video 2, we solve questions 8 to 14, following the official Cambridge mark scheme. Question 8. On the coordinate grid, part AI, draw the image of shape A after a translation by the vector 1, -7. Part 2. Draw the image of shape A after a reflection in the line y equals x plus 1. Part B. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Part AI. Translation. A translation moves every point by exactly the same vector. The vector 1, -7 means move 1 square to the right and 7 squares down. We move each vertex separately. -5, 5 becomes -4, -2. -4, 5 becomes -3, -2. -3, 4 becomes -2, -3. -4, 3 becomes -3, -4. Joining the 4 new vertices in the same order gives the translated image. Part 2. Reflection in a line y equals x plus 1. First, draw the mirror line. For each vertex, travel perpendicular to the mirror line, cross it, and place the image at exactly the same distance on the opposite side. Equivalently, reflection in y equals x plus 1 maps x, y to y minus 1, x plus 1. The 4 image vertices are 4, -4, for -3, 3, -2, and 2, -3. Join them in the corresponding order. Part B. We now compare only shape with shape B. The shape turns, so the transformation is a rotation. The center is -2, 6. Draw a line from the center to a vertex of A, then turn that line 90 degrees anticlockwise. The vertex lands on the corresponding vertex of B. The same happens for every vertex. Therefore, the full transformation is a rotation of 90 degrees anticlockwise about the center -2, 6. Question 9. The speed-time graph shows part of a car journey. Find the total distance traveled in 25 minutes. Distance is the area under the speed-time graph. The first trapezium gives 17.5 kilometers, and the second triangle gives 6.67 kilometers. Total distance is 24.2 kilometers. Question 10. Find the nth term of each sequence. Part A, 17, 9, 1, -7, -15. Part B, 3, 12, 27, 48, 75. The first difference is -8, so the sequence is linear. The nth term is 25 minus 8n. For the second sequence, the first differences are 9, 15, 21, and 27. These are not constant, so the sequence is not linear. The second differences are all 6, so it is quadratic. For a quadratic sequence, a n squared plus b n plus c. The constant second difference is 2a. Therefore, 2a equals 6, so a equals 3. Testing 3n squared gives 3, 12, 27, 48, and 75 exactly. Therefore, the nth term is 3n squared. Question 11. The table gives values for y equals x cubed minus 2x plus 3. Complete the table, draw the graph from -2 to 2, and by drawing a suitable straight line, solve x cubed minus 2.5x plus 1 equals 0. Substitution gives the missing table values 2.63 and 3.38. Plot all 9 points and join them with a smooth curve. To solve the new equation graphically, draw y equals 2 plus 0.5x. The intersections are approximately -1.8, 0.45, and 1.3. Question 12. A, B, and C lie on a circle with center O. D, E is a tangent to the circle at C. Angle ABC is 52 degrees and angle BCE is 65 degrees. Find X, giving a geometrical reason, and then find Y. Angle ABC is 52 degrees and it subtends arc AC. The angle at the center, standing on the same arc, is twice the angle at the circumference. So X equals 2 times 52, which is 104 degrees. The angle between tangent CE and chord CB is 65 degrees. By the alternate segment theorem, angle BAC is also 65 degrees. In triangle ABC, the angles add to 180 degrees. So y equals 180 minus 52 minus 65, which is 27 degrees. Question 13. Simplify 7 over 2m plus 3 over 8m. Write both fractions with denominator 8m. 7 over 2m becomes 28 over 8m. Add 3 over 8m to obtain 31 over 8m. Question 14. Part A. Carlos invests $24,000 at 3.2% compound interest for 4 years. Find the final value. Part B. He sells a painting for $40,870 and makes a profit of 34%. Find the profit. Part C. A car worth $32,500 decreases by 23% each year. Find a formula for its value after n years. Use compound interest, 24,000 times 1.032 to the power 4. The investment is $27,223. The selling price is 134% of the buying price. Divide 40,870 by 1.34 to get 30,500. The profit is $10,370. A decrease of 23% leaves a multiplier of 0.77. Therefore, V equals 32,500 times 0.77 to the power n. Video 2 is complete, with all answers checked against the official mark scheme.